Welcome. In this video, you learn how to place a simple cell position. To get started, you open your meta editor and then you go to New, Expert Advisor template. We shall call this one simple cell. Next, finish. And now you have it. To get started, we shall have to import our library with the trading functions and also create an object to allow us to place the cell or buy position. In this case, we're going to use include trade.mqh. And in this library we have a class called ctrade that contains the trading functions. So we're going to create an object called trade. So to place our simple cell position, we just come to the on tick, and we say trade dot cell. Now we have to fill in the different parameters for function to work well. Now, for example, we need to put in the volume first. For example, in this case, we're going to use 0.01 for simplicity. Sorry, this is capital S. Yes. For a symbol, we are going to use current symbol. For the price, we are going to use the current price. For the SL, we are not going to set it for simplicity. For the TP, we are not going to set it for simplicity. And also for comment, we don't need a comment. We can just say null. And that's it. That's how you place a simple cell position using MQL5. Now you can calculate the TP, you can calculate the SL using your own method, but we can also see that in the next chapter. And that's it. You compile, and to test we have a simple buy. Now let me deactivate this, and then we open a simple cell. Remove. Let me open gbpsd and simple cell. Test this on the gbpsd simple cell. We drag and drop on the chart. Simple cell, as you can see, is placing cell positions, and every time there is a minor price difference. That's the on-tick function. And simple review of the code. This is all we have placed, and that's it. That's your simple cell position in MQL5. Thank you for watching.